Hi guys, so here is our second lesson for this subject. We have lesson 2, evaluation of functions. But before I begin with my lecture, let's have first the objective of this lesson. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to evaluate functions, including piecewise functions. Before we proceed, before we proceed with evaluation of function, let's have first the function notation. So we commonly call functions by letters. Because function starts with f, it is a commonly used letter to refer to functions. So we have here an example of function. We have f of x that is equals to 2x squared minus 3x plus 6. The left-hand side of this equation is the function notation. So, kanang f of x nga nakita ninyo diha class, that is what we call function notation. So, it tells us two things. We called the function f and the variable in the function is x. So, the letter f here, this means the right-hand side is a function called f. So, ang pangalan sa function nimo will be f. So, function f. Now, kanang x dira, this means the right-hand side has the variable x in it. So, kanang x diha nga nasa sulod sa parenthesis, this only indicates kung unsa nga variable ang naa sa right-hand side. So, meaning kung unsay naa sa parenthesis, dapat mao ang makit-an nimo sa right-hand side. So, say for example, ang nasa sulod sa parenthesis is dili x. For example, A. So, therefore, dapat ang naa sa right-hand side, instead na 2x squared minus 3x plus 6 na siya, kanang mga x dira, mahimo na siya A. So, kung f of A ni siya, then, dapat ang diri sa right hand side, dili x ang imong makit-an, kundi A. Ana. Okay. So, the left hand side or the left side does not mean f times x like brackets usually do. It simply tells us what is on the right hand side. So, di ba, ang ato ang naandan pag naa bitaw parenthesis or brackets, um, ang sa tawag na, multiplication dayon. But, in function notation, dili na siya i-multiply. This simply indicates kung unsa ang naa sa right-hand side. So, f is the name of the function. So, kanang 2x squared minus 3x is a function f. And then, kanang x nga nasa sulod sa parenthesis, siya ang nag-indicate kung unsa nga variable ang gigamit sa right-hand side. So again, kung A na siya, dapat sa right-hand side, A po dapat ang sulod. So ana. So again, we have the function f of x that is equals to 2x squared minus 3x plus 6. Again, the f of x, this tells you what is on the right-hand side. It is not something you work. So, dili na siya ang imuhang i-operate. Wala na siya appeal sa imuhang i-operate. So, it says that the right-hand side is the function f and it has x as the variable or x in it. So, we have a function called f that has the variable x in it. Okay, using function notation, we could then ask the following. Okay, find f of 2. This means to find the function f and instead of having an x in it, put a 2 in it. So let's take the function above and make brackets everywhere the x was, and in its place put in a 2. Or in short, is substitute nato since ang nasa parenthesis is 2 naman, is-substitute nato siya sa tanang x sa right-hand side. Okay. So we have, again, since 2 na ang naa sa parenthesis, therefore, sa right-hand side nato, wala na x na makitaan. Instead, 2 na ang ato ang dapat makitaan. So, 2x squared becomes 2 times 2 squared. And then we have 3x becomes 3 times 2. And then the rest, gikopy lang nato. So we'll have f of 2 that is equals to 2 times 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 6. So, gisubstitute lang nato ang 2 sa tanang x. Okay. So, in operating this, do not forget the order of operations. We have powers, then multiplication, finally addition and subtraction, or PEMDAS. Wala lang gyapil ang d dira, kay wala man tayo division. Okay. Next, i-simplify nato. So, we'll have f of 2, diba? 2 times 2 squared. So, we have 2 squared becomes 4. So, we'll have 2 times 4. And then, minus 3 times 2 plus 6. Okay, next, simplify. We have 2 times 4 equals 8. And then, 3 times 2, we have 6. And then, copy si 6. So, we have 8 minus 6 plus 6 is equals to 8. So, therefore, f of 2 is equal to 8. Okay, next, another example, same function. We have f of x that is equals to 2x squared minus 3x plus 6. But this time, we have to find f of negative 2. Meaning, dili na x ang nasa bracket, we have negative 2. Therefore, dapat sa right-hand side, negative 2 na pud ang ato ang makitaan. So, again, this means to find the function of f, and instead of having an x, put a negative 2 in it. So let's take the function above and make brackets everywhere the x was, and in its place, put in a negative 2. Or in short, substitute x with negative 2. Okay, so f of x becomes f of negative 2. 2x squared becomes 2 times negative 2 squared. We have 3x becomes 3 times negative 2. And then we have plus 6. The rest copy. So, f of x equals 2x squared minus 3x plus 6 becomes f of 2 that is equals to 2 times negative 2 squared minus 3 times negative 2 plus 6. Again, don't forget the order of operations. Again, don't forget the order of operations. We have powers, then multiplication, finally addition and subtraction. Okay, so we'll have negative 2 squared becomes 4. So f of negative 2 is equals to 2 times 4. We have minus 3 times negative 2 plus 6. This is equals to 2 times 4. We have 8. We have, since minus 3, mana siya, so 3 times negative 2, that is negative 6, and then minus man ta diha. So this becomes plus 6, and then copy ang plus 6 sa tumoy. So we'll have 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 6, we have 20. Therefore, f of negative 2 is equals to 20. Okay, next. Same given, but this time we have to find f of k. So this means to find the function of f, and instead of having an x in it, put a k in it. So let's take the function above and make brackets everywhere the x was, and in its place, put in a k, or simply substitute k or x with k. So, tanang x, ilisan na to k. So, we'll have f of k that is equals to 2k squared minus 3k plus 6. Okay. Don't forget order of operations, powers, then multiplication, finally addition and subtraction. In this case, pangtanggalo na tong bracket. So, we'll have we have 2 times k squared because k squared. So 2 times k squared minus 3k plus 6. This is equals to 2k squared minus 3k plus 6. So therefore, f of k is equals to 2k squared minus 3x plus 6. Okay, another example. Same um, function, pero lahi na ang atong pangitaon. We have to find f of 2k. So again, this means to find the function f, and instead of having an x in it, put a 2k in it. So let's take the function above and make brackets everywhere the x was, and in its place, put in a 2k. Okay, so therefore, in short, i-substitute lang nato ang 2k sa x. Okay, so we'll have f of 2k that is equals to 2 times 2k squared minus 3 times 2k plus 6. So again, don't forget order of operations. We have powers, then multiplication, finally addition and subtraction. So we'll have f of 2k is equals to 2 times 2k squared. We have 4k squared minus 3 times 2k plus 6. This is equals to 2 times 4k squared, that is 8k squared. And then we have 3 times 2k is 6. So since minus man ta dira, we'll have minus operation. We have 6k and then copy ang plus 6. So therefore, f of 2k is equals to 8k squared minus 6k plus 6. Okay, we have here more examples. Evaluate the following functions. For number 1, we have f of x that is equals to negative 4x squared plus 3x minus 1. Find f of negative 1. For number 2, we have g of x that is equals to 3x squared minus 9x plus 27. Find g of 1/3. For number 3, we have h of a that is equals to a squared minus 2a minus 5. Find h of a plus 1. Okay, let's now proceed with piecewise function. So piecewise function is a function that is a combination of one or more functions. So we have here an example of piecewise function. We have f of x that is equals to x squared plus 1 if x is less than 0, and x minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 0. So again, piecewise function, ingana yan dagway because it is a combination of one or more functions. So dili lang na siya isa or duha, pwede na siya tulo, upat, lima, unom, taman sa pilay gusto nimo. Or pila, yeah. Okay. So, kanang function nga nakita nimo dira, we have x squared plus 1 if x is less than 0, and x minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 0. Ang tawag ana nila is piece. Kung duha, pieces. Kada isa, ang tawag ana nila is piece. That's why it's called piecewise function. Now, kanang x less than 0 and x greater than or equal to 0, ang tawag ana nila is rule or rules. Kung daghan, no? Duha, rules. Now, the rule for piecewise function is different for different pieces of the domain. So, every pieces, lahi na sila og rule, and lahi pod na sila og domain. So, for example kana, we have x squared plus 1. Ang iyahang rule is if x is less than 0. For x minus 1, ang iyahapong rule, we have x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, in evaluating piecewise function, same lang gyapon siya pag-evaluate sa katong previous nako nga gitudlo sa kani nga video, no? But naa lang siya a little difference ana. Okay, so let's have an example. We have example of piecewise. We have f of x that is equals to x squared plus 1 if x is less than 0, and x minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 0. So we have to calculate f of 2. Now, you are being asked to find y when x is equals to 2. So, since 2 is greater than or equal to 0, you will only substitute into the second part of the function or second piece. Or, in Bisaya pa, so you are being asked to find y when x is equals to 2. Since 2 is greater than 0, you will only substitute into the second part of the function or second piece of the function. Now, kung tagaan nga ni kag f of 2, for example kani, since ang kanang 2 dira, di ba, supposed to be x man na kay f of x baya ta. So, ang value sa 2 ang x is 2. So, para ma-evaluate nato ang piecewise function, kailangan i-consider nato ang value ni x ug ang rule. So, since ang value ni x nato dire, we have f of 2, ang value ni x is 2, consider nato, is it less than 0 or greater than or equal to 0. So, since 2 is greater than or equal to 0, ang gamiton nato dire na piece, pag-evaluate is kanilang second piece, kanang x minus 1. So, ang solution ana niya, we have f of 2. Again, ang gamiton lang nato is x minus 1. So, since 2 naman na dira, direct substitute na ta. We have 2. Ang x becomes 2. So, x minus 1. We have 2 minus 1. So, f of 2 is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Therefore, f of 2 is equals to 1. Okay, another example. Same given. We have f of x is equals to x squared plus 1 if x is less than 0 and x minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 0. This time, we have to calculate f of negative 2. So, you are being asked to find y when x is negative 2. Since negative 2 is less than 0, you will only substitute into the first part of the function. Again, we have to consider the value of our x, which is negative 2, and the rules na naa sa piecewise function. So, negative 2 is less than 0. Therefore, ang gamiton nato is the first piece kanang nasa taas. We have x squared plus 1. So, our f of negative 2 is equals to x squared plus 1. So, ang x is negative 2. This becomes, ang x squared mahimong negative 2 squared. And then, copy ang plus 1. And then, operate nato. We'll have negative 2 squared is 4. Plus 1, we have 5. Therefore, f of negative 2 is 5. Okay, we have here more examples. So, evaluate the following. For number 1, we have f of x that is equals to 2x plus 1 if x is less than 0 and 2x plus 2 if x is greater than or equal to 0. We have to find letter A, f of negative 5. Letter B, we have f of 0. For number 2, we have f of x that is equals to 3x minus 2 if x is less than negative 2 and negative x if x is greater than or equal to negative 2 but less than 1, and x squared minus 7 if x is greater than or equal to 1. We have to find for letter A, f of 3. For letter B, we have f of 1/2.